Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to show you, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your hair for a knotless or a box braid. First of all, I parted the hair into two, like straight in the middle. Then on each section, I separated it into three. The three sections, what I'm going to be doing, the first part at the back, I'm going to be sectioning it according to the size of the braid that you want to make, like what I'm doing right now. I'm applying some shine and jam gel on the lines just to make the lines look really neat. When I finish cutting each line, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and cornrow it down to keep it aside so it doesn't get on my way when I'm sectioning the other line. So since I'm going for a small medium size braid, the first two sections at the back, I'm going to be separating it into 4 different lines. Then go ahead and cornrow it down.
At the festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky, summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you.
So after doing the back section, the middle section of the partitions that I made, I'm not going to touch that for now. I'm going to go to the front and start sectioning the front part. So in the front, as I said before, I'm going for a small medium braid. I'm going to be sectioning each part of the two sections in the front into 6 little sections, like into 6 lines. I don't know if I make sense. Like the part of the braid, the 2 sections at the front that I made, separating the head in the middle, each side of that section, I'm going to be making 6 lines. Depending on the size of the braid you're going to do, you can make 5 lines, 6 lines, or maybe 7 lines, like 14 on the front of the head. All depends on the amount of hair the person has and the size of the head of the person, and also it depends on the braid size that you are going for.
Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies.
After doing that, I'm going to cornrow it down the same as I did at the back section. On all the 12 lines that I'm going to make at the front, I'm going to braid them down as I did the back section. And you want to try as much as possible to make sure that the lines you're making are equal. This will really make the end result of the braid look very nice. Like for example, you can see me trying to use the comb to try and measure the amount of hair I took on the first line. So the second line and the rest of the lines will be like practically equal.
At the festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky, summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies. long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
So now when we finish with the front section, we go to the middle, the section in the middle. Like what you want to do is use the lines that you make at the front to section the middle section. Like what I'm doing, like I don't really know how to explain this very well. I think just doing it, you can really understand what I'm trying to explain.
Whiteout skies, middle November. You and I flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. New Year's Eve, 3. The feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. Whiteout skies, middle November. You and I flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
After sectioning the first middle part, I'll just use this one to section the other one. I will not need to go back in front to start using the lines in front to draw the lines in the middle. So I'll just use the middle one that I've sectioned already to section the other side.
Still with you. Whiteout skies, middle November. You and I flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
After sectioning your hair before you start braiding, it makes the braiding process really easy and fast, especially for beginners. If you're just starting to learn how to braid, go ahead and try to first of all section your part out before you start braiding. You'll see that you will be fast in doing that and your braids will really come out well. Okay guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. And if you've learned something from this video, please let me know what you think in the comment section. And I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to be notified.
Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. Whiteout skies, mid